Hello and welcome to today's episode of Rusty Duck Garage, where we've got a 1990 Silverado 1500 454 SS pickup. This truck has 198,000 miles on it, and the seller is asking $10,000 for this truck. All right, guys, look what we have here. Looks like an abandoned 454 SS truck. It's been sitting for a very long time, and the owner, the house has been vacated. Okay, there's a shot of the interior here. Bucket seats, console, headliner sagging. It's got a cracked windshield. Carpet's still decent in it. We're cleaned up pretty good. Door panel sagging there. Still has the original SS wheels. It has been lowered. It has a 2.4 drop kit in it, but they did not notch the frame. It's got the back black grill, red, and then again it's a 1990 flat tire. Approximately 17,000 Silverado SS 454 pickups were built between 1990 and 1993. For the model year 1990, they were equipped with the 454 engine, turbo 400 transmission, and a 14-bolt rear end with 373 gears. I always thought it was pretty wild that GM put the 14-bolt rear end with 5-lug wheels in the half-ton short bed pickup. Pretty stout. They came factory equipped with a 275/60/15 tire on a steel wheel, chrome steel wheel. That looked very nice. And that is one of the things I like about this truck that is for sale, that it still retains its factory wheels. For the model year 1990, you could get the truck any color you wanted, as long as it was black with red interior. For the model year 1991, you got a 4-speed automatic transmission, the 4L80E, and the actual ratio was bumped up to a 4:10 ratio for better starting line acceleration. The 1990 454 SS was old school. The engine had adjustable valve train, had a 2-piece rear main seal. It was the old 454 as we had known it for many, many years. The turbo 400 transmission was non-electronic. The 373 gears and the 14-bolt rear end was pretty awesome. It was just a basic, simple truck that anybody could work on. Many of the internal parts for a 454 engine that's been around since 1970 or so will work in this engine. So it's a very versatile engine, great parts availability. Any machine shop can help you out with these things. So I really like the Gen 454. And this truck is very solid. Only surface rust. No rust through holes anywhere. And the frame, very solid. Just surface rust in a few areas. But overall, good, solid old truck that is in mostly original condition. Recently, the trading prices on these trucks have gone up significantly. Over the last few years, they have gone up nearly double of what they were. Now, low mileage examples bring high money, such as this truck that sold for $61,000. However, I have not seen any trucks selling below $20,000. The gentleman who owns this truck is asking $10,000 for it, and I would love to purchase it for that price, but I think that's just a lot of money for a truck that has 198,000 miles on it and in this condition. I'm going to have to put tires on it immediately. It will have to replace the windshield immediately. The interior will have to be dealt with. The brakes, the fuel system, I understand that it has a coolant leak, and several other things. So $10,000, in my opinion, is a little high. I have made him an offer on the truck, and he's considering it. So hopefully, I may end up with this truck here in the very near future. And if I do, I will be doing an updated video on it and letting you see the truck as I progress on it, doing repairs and getting it running and driving it, and make it what I would call an old patina truck, which you don't see many of the SS 454s, because a lot of these trucks were put inside with low miles and protected from the elements. This truck's just been an old truck that he used every day, hence the 198,000 miles. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll catch you next time at Rusty Duck Garage.